Tuelekee kaunti nambari 3 ambapo waziri wa kilimo Mutahi Kagwe amezitaka serikali za kaunti kukumbatia mfumo wa kushirikisha wawekezaji kama njia mojawapo ya kukuza kilimo humu nchini. Akizungumza kwenye kongamano la kilimo lililoandaliwa na jumuiya za kaunti za Pwani huko Malindi, Kagwe anasema serikali ya kitaifa haiwezi kufadhili sekta hiyo 100%.
The need for counties and the national government to engage the private sector to come to us. So the same way we are giving land in Galana Kulalu and elsewhere, ADC farms, prison lands, Kalo lands, that we are now going to land commercialization initiative. I want to persuade the counties to be very passionately involved in attracting private sector into their areas and getting them to work.
As you know, cashew nut used to be a huge economic activity at the coast. So we have come here to continue with the motivation of our farmers to continue growing these crops, especially as you know the coconuts are now very old. We need to revitalize them. Cashew nuts are very old. We need to revitalize them. And from Lamu, Kilifi, Kwale, we have been distributing seedlings of coconuts to the farmers.
We are truly to revitalize agriculture in the region. We must also embrace digitization as a game changer. The future of agriculture is digital. Digital farmer registration systems can improve planning and targeted support.
Kutoka kaunti nambari 3 turejee